associated with Gurdwara. I know Shavara Masi has been associated with the family, has worked with them. It's also been my dream to be in some way associated with them because they believe so much in the revival of handicrafts, in like Sama said, in making it a part of our everyday. And I think for handicrafts, to not be locked up in a cupboard and for it to be a part of our everyday is very important. For us to wear it with pride, for us to realize how much it enriches our lives. I think that is what makes the difference. And if we can do that, then nobody will ever tell us that it's a dying art or it's we need patrons for it. We ourselves have it within us to do that by making it a part of our everyday lives. And I think Gurdwara is so much about heritage and legacy, and for me to have been a part of to have been a part of this show, especially because Sama was so deeply involved and this is her first show. So it was very special for me and this collaboration meant a lot to me. So I'm very, very happy to be here today. And I wish that I could dress like this every day.
We'll open the podium for questions. Anyone have any questions? Sabah, how?
I think handicraft is a way of life, and you have to be obsessed with handicraft and anything that is made by your hands. And you need a very deep respect for it. It's almost a spiritual feeling, Handicraft is one of the most spiritual ways of touching people. It's very, you see what happened in Kashmir. One Sufi brought 1200 craftsmen and it has changed the face of the valley. So it's got so much barakat in it that we can't imagine what it can do for the country, what it can do for people. And this is what I felt through all my art, how to touch people and how to make a difference. And through my films I've been led to craft. Because when you dress people in a film, you're showing the truth, you're showing a slice of reality. And handicraft is all about taking small steps. It's not creating a big revolution, it's about taking gentle steps, making people sensitive to their legacy, what comes out of your mother's covered on your trunks. To be sensitive to that is very important. And to live with small little details of craft is a big joy, If you start living with small little elements of craft, you feel rich every day. Like I'm wearing this, nobody knows what's inside my pocket, but I know it's a piece of craft. So it's just to feel it. It's just a reminder for me that human effort is so valuable, so tender, and the craftsman doesn't see the audience needle. It's you who has to design his life, design what he does. And there's such a nice, beautiful upsurge in this field that it needs to be celebrated.
Sama, how much were you inspired by the works of Muzaffarji while you were conceptualizing this collection?
Actually, I guess I've grown up feeling inspired, so I can't tell you an exact moment and how much, because I guess growing up around my parents' work and art, it's just kind of become a part of me, and I can't distinguish when the inspiration ends and when my own imagination begins. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but that's, it's just
She has imbibed it like a process of osmosis.
Yeah, you could say that. And when I was designing this particular collection, I just wanted to make it feel like something that I can, like you said, something about the legacy and, just having that touch of, something that has a history, the clothes, but still, they just make them a little bit more easy, more wearable, just more fun for people like me who can't always wear fussy clothes, and so it's just, the collection is about mixing a sense of legacy with a sense of ease and just fun and fantasy and all of the good stuff.
Sorry, 1 second.
लगता है कि आज का दौर ऐसा है कि जहाँ हमारे जो ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े हैं, चाहे वो शेरवानी हो, चाहे वो धोती कुर्ता हो, चाहे वो अगर आप साउथ में जाएं तो आप देखते हैं कि वो किस तरह से लुंगी और शर्ट पहनते हैं, वो उसको और ज़्यादा लेकर आ रहे हैं, उसको और ज़्यादा लेकर आ रहे हैं। और मुझे ये लगता है कि ये एक बहुत हेल्दी निशान है, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान जैसे जैसे अपनी पहचान पूरी तरह से समझता है, उतने कॉन्फिडेंस से वो उन चीज़ों को सामने पेश करना चाहता है जो उसकी हिंदुस्तानी है। तो मैं नहीं मानती हूँ आपके साथ कि ये जो हमारे ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े हैं वो गायब होते जा रहे हैं। मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि दे आर कमिंग अक्रॉस इन अ मच मोर ट्रांसपोर्टेड वे, व्हिच इज वेरी गुड। You know, I just think that I was very impressed at this entire Latin Fashion Week. The fact that we are talking about eco-friendly, sustainable, healing garments, I think is wonderful, because these are concerns that each of us who considers ourselves artists should be concerned about. What is even more interesting that I noticed this time is that there has been a conscious effort to have androgynous dressing, and that is being done with this notion of patriarchal structures of what is man or what is woman needs to be broken, and it can be reflected also in clothes. So I definitely think that there is a younger mindset operating here, and to do it through fashion, I think is highly commendable.
Shabana, इजाज़त है हमारे साथ जी, शुक्रिया। So many congratulations for the show. Everyone was mesmerized. Who has inspired you to come in this, to begin this your endeavor and journey?
Actually, I've never thought of doing anything else. Just always watching my parents work growing up. I've always also enjoyed art, and I was fairly alright at drawing and stuff. So I guess my mom would better answer. It's just something that I've been doing since I could pick up a pen and write. Instead of writing, I would just draw dresses and clothes and shoes and everything. And उसके आगे कुछ फिर मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, बस यही फैशन हमेशा से I thought that would be the right decision for me.
Say that you studied fashion for 4 years.
I studied also in London for 4 years. I studied design, and then I did get a formal training as well, other than whatever I learned while watching them work. But it's just always been something I wanted to do.
I know that Sama's dream is to do a period film, isn't it?
Yeah, the costumes.
Aditi, I just come back to you. I know you must be feeling restless in this.
No, I'm not.
Aditi,
Hungry so I am.
Doctor, Shabana ji, we were expecting you also to be on the ramp.
She's here.
You know what is important? That I am with Meera and with Sama and with Muzaffar. Whether I walk the ramp, whether I'm holding this press conference, I'm there, and that is the important thing.
आप मेजबान के साथ भी जुड़े हुए हैं। ये एक अच्छा प्रयास है कि मतलब हमारे
देखिए, ये आप समझिए कि मुझे पता था कि ये सवाल जरूर होगा कि भाई आप तो मिजबा के लिए हैं, तो आप कोटवारा को क्यों प्रमोट कर रही हैं। आप ये देखिए कि बेसिकली जो काम हम लोग कर रहे हैं, जो हमारी समझ है, जो हमारी वर्ल्ड व्यू है, वो सेम है। मुजफ्फर की जर्नी कोटवारा के साथ, मेरी जर्नी मिजबा के साथ, इसका जो बीच है, वो जो फिल्म अंजुमन हमने आज से 30 साल पहले बनाई थी, जिसके अंदर हमको पहली बार समझ में आया था कि जो लोग ये इतना खूबसूरत काम करते हैं, उनके साथ जो होता है, उनकी जो सिचुएशंस हैं, वो कितने तकलीफ हैं और उनको कितना बढ़ावा मिलना चाहिए, वहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक की ये जर्नी है। एंड वी आर पार्टनर्स, वी आर ट्रैवलर्स, को ट्रैवलर्स।
अदिति, बुखार है क्योंकि कैसा रहा, मतलब काफी
कितना बुखार है पूछो।
हिम्मत से चलिए आप।
हिम्मत से चलिए,
हिम्मत से चली।
हारेगा वो हर बाजी जब खेले हम जी जान से।
Acha, after spoken, I feel very silly saying anything क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना beautifully सब कुछ कहा है. अब मैं रैंप पे चलने के बारे में आपको क्या बोलूँ? मतलब मुझे मज़ा आता है. और when you're wearing clothes, when you're wearing something that you're very proud to wear, something that means a lot, much more than just a garment, much more than just something of beauty. It carries a lot more with it than just that. It's very special. And I know that the people behind it, their intention is so much greater than just to make a beautiful garment. That it means a lot to be a part of it.
I edit feeling like a princess or bride.
नहीं ये मैं आपको थोड़ा छोड़ दूँगी. नहीं तो ये non-stop quote हो जाएगा.
अच्छा ये लोग वो आपकी पद्मावती से मतलब है?
मैं कैसे आपको ये सब बता सकती हूँ? मुझे मार पिटेगी. ये कोटवारा का लुक है. ये it's very special to कोटवारा and I'm very happy to wear it. And just be my बुखार, खांसी, जुकाम has not mattered to me at all. It's on hold just till I finish what I'm here to do today because it's so special. So भगा दे रहा है.
Okay, I have a question. You're opening the show with a very beautiful dance sequence. I don't know who was the artist